What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. What's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Be safe, you guys. It's real out here, you know. I've been doing this gardening thing long before this virus outbreak, but I just want to share as much information with you as I possibly can on how you can grow some of your own food, you guys, okay? Okay? So, we're just going to jump right into this. Today, I'm going to show you how to preserve and recycle what you might already have in the refrigerator at your house, okay? Okay? So, you might say, oh, you got a salad over there. Plate, a knife, some clear water, some soil in a little container. That's all. But, yeah, you guys, this salad is really ooky old. Why do you still have that ready? Why is that still around? You know how you put something in the refrigerator and you leave it a couple days and you realize, oh, that's where that thing went? Yeah. So, mostly all of this can be recycled. You take your leftover lettuce, gather all that stuff up, put it in a space where you don't care about a smell, especially outside, y'all. Not inside your house because it's going to stink. But it turns into compost when you mix it in and it gets old and goes into the soil. You can make your own compost like fertilizer. But today I'm just going to show you how to look at these tomatoes. They're really soft, no good. You're probably thinking, what can you do with that? How can I grow my garden using that? So we're going to save the seeds out of this baby. And you see what these are? Cherry tomatoes. And they should produce more cherry tomatoes about this size. So all I'm going to do is just pop them in some water. Now this one bust open already. Just pop it in some water. Save this for the compost pile. Just rinse your tomato off a little bit. Then you just want to, can you guys see what I'm doing? Hope you can. Just want to slice it down the middle. This is not rocket science, y'all. And look at all those seeds. You see that? Look at all those seeds in there. Yep. And each seed will make its own plant. Yep. And see how easy that was? Look at all these tomato seeds we got. Look at all those seeds. Now all you want to do is stick them on a paper towel. Just scooch them on over to a paper towel. And you can do this with any tomatoes. Anything that you have in your refrigerator that has seeds in it, don't throw them seeds away. That's free. People pay good money for these tomato seeds. And then especially if we get the cherry just like these, that's going to be great. See that? So just want to pat it dry until you start seeing individual seeds. See that, you guys? So I'm going to let you follow along. We're going to call these the refrigerator seeds, the refrigerator tomatoes. Now some people say let them dry out for days or whatever. I'm not going to do that. I'm going straight into the ground. Okay. And put, well, they're a little sticky. Maybe that's why they wait for them to dry. Just going to pop a couple in there, different places. Cover it. And I'm just taking the seeds, y'all. Just kind of plucking them in. No specific row or column or anything like that. We just want to get these seeds in there. I'm just brushing the seeds off of this paper towel because they're still kind of sticky from inside of the tomato. So if you let them dry out, it would be much easier. But I'm just doing this just to show you guys on the video. So we're going to see if we get little tomato plants out of these seeds. Okay? If I can get the seeds off of my hand. So I'll update you on this one, let's say in about a week. And we'll see what we have in here. Okay? Now I'm going to water that very good. And we're good to go. So that's all you do. If you want to save your seeds, y'all, save them. Now is the time. Don't forget, be safe. Wash your hands. If you can stay home, please stay home, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow your own food, you guys, and eat it.